Assalamu alaikum friends. I am Salim Asad and you are watching Experts Tech YouTube channel. Friends, on this channel we bring learning videos about information technology. Today's video is made by one of our most senior IT experts, Jamil Parvez. So let's start.
Assalamu alaikum. Today demo, I will show you how to create VPC, subnets, internet gateway and routing table. So first you can log into your AWS account, select services, scroll down. Under networking and content delivery, select VPC. Select your VPC. So this one is the default VPC. So I'm going to create a new one. Click create VPC. Here type a name. You can choose any name. Select, type here IP address 10.0.0.0/16. You can choose 192 or 172, any class you can choose. So I am choosing the class A. Click create, click close. So next step is to create subnets. So select subnets, select create subnet, type here name. I am typing my subnet. Select VPC, the one we have created. Select availability zone or leave it as default. I am selecting AZ1. IP version 4 CIDR block. Here you can type 10.0.0.0/24. Click create. Click close. So now our subnet is created. So next step is to create internet gateway. Select internet gateway. This internet gateway is the default one, so we will create a new one. Click create internet gateway. Type a name, my IGW internet gateway. Click create internet gateway. So our internet gateway is created, but it's in detached state. So we need to attach to our VPC. Select attach to a VPC. Either you can select menu and select attach to VPC. Available VPC, click here and you can select your VPC. Click attach internet gateway. So now it's in attached state. So next step is to create a route table, select route tables, select create route tables, type a name. I'm typing my route table, select your VPC, click create, click close. So our routing table is successfully created. So select a route table. Now traffic from instance in the public subnet distinct to the internet will be redirected to the internet gateway. So we are then redirect to the route table in the virtual private cloud. Add route for the route table, one for the traffic to the internet to be routed using the internet gateway. So select routes, select edit routes, click add routes, type 0.0.0.0/0. All packages for the internet and for target. Select internet gateway, select your internet gateway, click save routes, click close. So the next step is to subnet association. Select subnet association, edit subnet associate, select your subnet, and here should be associated subnet. Click save. So our route table successfully created. So now we will create one EC2 instance and test. So click on services, under compute, click on EC2. Now currently we don't have any instance running, so select instances, select launch instance, select an image. So I am selecting Windows Server 2019. Click select. Instance type general purpose. So only one image is available, the T2 micro is free tier. So select, click next. So here you can choose number of instance, network. So this one is the default network, so we need to choose our network, the one we have created. So select my VPC. So here we need to select our subnet, my subnet. So by default auto assign public IP, it will be disabled, so we need to enable it to access through public IP. So select enable, click next. So by default is storage is 30 GB. Click next. If you want to add tag, you can add name VPC server. Next, configure security group. So here we can select roles. So click add role, select HTTP, click add row, select HTTPS under source, select anywhere. So this is a new security assigned, so I'm not going to create new one, so I'm taking the default one. Just click review plus launch, click launch. I'm going to create a new key pair, pair name, type any name, VPC server, you can choose anyone. So click download key pair, click launch instance. Select view instances. So it's in pending state and status is initializing, so we can wait 4 minutes to complete the task. So now you can see our instances is running and status checks is 2/2. So we successfully performed our lab. So created VCP, subnet, internet gateway, and
Thank you for watching, friends. Hopefully you enjoyed and learned a lot from this video. If you feel that videos can be useful and beneficial for others, so please like, subscribe and share our channel and videos. Thank you again for watching. Have a nice day.